By the end of the video, we'll know about protein powder for weight loss. Protein powder has long been a staple in the world of fitness and nutrition, commonly associated with muscle building and post-workout recovery. However, its benefits extend beyond just bulking up. It can also be a valuable tool in weight loss journeys. Maximize your gains with Dymatize, ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder, and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder. With quality ingredients and delicious flavors, fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. One of the primary ways protein powder aids in weight loss is by increasing satiety. High-protein diets have been shown to reduce hunger and appetite, helping individuals consume fewer calories throughout the day. This can be especially beneficial when trying to create a calorie deficit, which is necessary for weight loss. By feeling fuller for longer periods, people may be less inclined to overeat or indulge in unhealthy snacks, leading to better control over their overall calorie intake. Moreover, protein powder can help preserve lean muscle mass during weight loss. When you reduce your calorie intake to lose weight, your body may break down muscle tissue for energy alongside fat stores. However, consuming an adequate amount of protein can help mitigate muscle loss, ensuring that the weight you shed primarily comes from fat rather than muscle. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism and achieving a toned, lean physique. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Choosing the right type of protein powder is essential for weight loss goals. Whey protein, derived from milk, is a popular option due to its high-quality protein content and rapid absorption rate. Casein protein, another milk-derived protein, is digested more slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids over several hours, which can help keep you feeling full for longer. Plant-based protein powders, such as pea, rice, or hemp protein, are excellent alternatives for individuals who are lactose intolerant or follow a vegan or vegetarian diet. Incorporating protein powder into your weight loss plan is easy and convenient. It can be mixed with water, milk, or blended into smoothies and shakes, providing a quick and portable source of protein to support your goals. However, it's essential to remember that protein powder should complement a balanced diet rich in whole foods, including plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. While protein powder can be a helpful tool, it should not replace real, nutrient-dense foods in your diet. Additionally, it's crucial to pair protein powder consumption with regular exercise for optimal results. Strength training, in particular, can help build and maintain